Everyone, Gabby here, owner and clinical director of Recovered and Restored Eating Disorder Therapy Center. I wanted to jump on today and say hi. I also just wanted to talk a little bit about the blog that I wrote on loneliness. As I share in the blog, loneliness is a common emotion that a lot of people feel. It's human, it's heavy, right? It's hard. It's described as what could be referred to as deep sorrow at times. So I want to talk about that today. And I want to let you know that if you are struggling with loneliness, one, it's okay. But two, you're not alone. Also in the blog, we talk about feeling your feelings, right? When we're in eating disorder recovery, a lot of times we try to numb our feelings. And that's just really a challenging thing to overcome, but I know that you can do it. And the more that we let ourselves feel the feels, even when it hurts, the less we will turn to our eating disorder. And I talk about this kind of in how to do this because all feelings are welcome. Especially in recovery, it's really important. The other thing I talk about in this blog is to build community. Now, I always say, find your tribe, hold them tight. Yes, we want to find our tribe. And outside of our tribe, outside of our people, we also want to have a community that builds us up, that maybe they're not, our closest best friends, but they are people that we align with and have shared interests and values and maybe, common occurrences, things like that, whether it's a mom's group or it's a church community, or it's if this feels aligned with your recovery, a running club or things like that. So just things outside of our intimate people that also continue to build us up. So having our tribe and having community outside of that tribe to continue building us up so that when we are feeling lonely, we know how to connect, get plugged back in, and so that that loneliness maybe won't go away, but it'll decrease and over time, hopefully dissipate. And then lastly, self-compassion. We have a blog written by the amazing clinician Hannah DeGroot that talks about self-compassion and tips specifically for self-compassion. But as I share in the blog, if there was just one tool, although I hope to give clients many, if there's just one tool I could give, it would be self-compassion. It goes such a long way, and especially with loneliness. So that's kind of the gist of our blog. Also, I just want to extend to anyone who is feeling lonely. Again, like I said in the beginning, you're not alone. And also that it's a season, right? Like that is something that I currently share with myself as well as clients when I'm going through a hard time, that like seasons change, seasons pass, and sometimes we're in a really long, hard season, right? But there are other times that there are seasons of joy and happiness, and that will come too. So I just want to pass that on to you, that wherever you're at in recovery, it's okay. If you are dealing with loneliness, it is okay. Feel those feels, build your community, have self-compassion. And if you're struggling and have the ability and the privilege, please reach out. recoveredandrestoredtherapy.com. Myself or my team would love to work with you. Also, please note, this is not a supplement for therapy. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, beautiful day. Bye, guys.